We're here at Vahrenberg Implement, and we're actually over here at the 2600H series. This is a 2607, and we got a new product to show you today. Available for 2600 series owner is a new cup holder assembly that's available from AGCO Parts. Got our instructions. It's available to work with both the water bottles and like the Yeti, the Stanleys and that stuff, and it's going to fit right here on our 1-inch tube, or any tractor that has a 1-inch tube. This assembly to work. We're going to set it up, show you how fast, simple and easy it is to install on a Massey Ferguson. First thing you're going to get is a very detailed operator's manual. It's going to have warnings and tips, but here you're going to have a complete part list, and it's going to show assembly of how to put it together. In the box you're going to get the bracket. This is the heavy metal bracket. You're going to get a whole bunch of tubing. You're going to need about 13 inches if you're going to use the circle for your bigger tumbler style cups, like a Yeti cup. You'll need a 10mm wrench, a 10mm ratchet with a socket on it, and get the pieces out of here. This is your insert cup for smaller bottles and things. You're going to use just plastic water bottles. You'll have that's got tabs to hold it in there. It's going to come with 2 clamps, 2 bolts with 4 washers and 4 bushings. This is all you're going to need to install this. What you'll need, the first thing to do, is I've kind of pre-assembled this. You're going to need that much to go through your first block, and that's going to fit in that block insert there. This one's going to fit here with another plastic bushing on this side, and then your shield goes in there with a washer and a nut. And I'm going to try to pre-assemble this and slip it over the railing, and it's not going to work, so you're going to learn as we go. This is just came in today, so I'm going to take half a block on this side, half a block on that side. Then our mount, then our washer and nut. You don't want to tighten that too tight, because we got to get another bushing in that lower mount. So now we're going to put the second bolt in. I have to put it in from here. Insert our little bushing. It'll go in there. A washer. And a nut. Then you'll need your wrench and ratchet with your socket on it. buy the book for those that need torque specs. You're going to do to 100 or 12 plus or minus 3 Newton meters. Now what we're going to do is install this. This is a split piece of stripping. If you use the big cups, you're going to use this. You just slide it over. We'll show you both ways here in a second. Just kind of just split that grip there. Fit in there. So now if you're using your larger cups, you can put it in there. Bolts right on here. Put your cup on there. Gives you a good place to keep your cold beverage on your Massey Ferguson 2600H series tractors. Now if you're not wanting to use the big cup, you can pull this piece back out again. This piece has 2 notches that you can slip it in. It's a little bit big for a cup. You can get a Yeti in there. Yep, you can get that Massey Yeti in that cup holder. But that's going to hold firmly. But your bigger bottom water bottles and that type of stuff, you may not be able to use this style of cup holder. It's tight, but that is your 2 sizes. If you're just taking a plastic water bottle, it's got these rubber down in here that is going to hold on to the bottle. So you now have a cup holder available for 2600H series tractors. Now we're sitting up on the Massey, and you can reach right up there and get your cold beverage and enjoy your Massey Ferguson tractor. Longer days in the field with a nice beverage and a beverage holder on your 2600H series. I hope that helped you learn about something new that you can upgrade and pimp your Massey Ferguson. Come to Vahrenberg Implement. We got lots of Masseys to pimp one up for you. And a cup holder on this 2600H series tractor. If you're in Higginsville, Missouri, come visit us at Vahrenberg Implement. We're your West Central Missouri Massey Ferguson dealer, right here at the corner of 13 Highway and Business 13 Highway in Higginsville, Missouri. We've got tractors, and we're here to teach you, help you get the most out of them and get the right accessories to make it yours.